Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 BMW 328i xDrive. This one's a Alpine white. Under the hood's a 2-liter twin turbo pushing out 240 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 17-inch alloys. Tires are in good condition. Black interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our xDrive 328 emblem. Set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Coming up front, got a nice wood trim, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, our radio, dual climate controls, heated seats, our different driving settings. We got sport and eco, automatic transmission, our buttons for our media display. This BMW's got 83,396 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 328i, check out feldmannimports.com.